Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was recently given a City of Las Vegas planning map for Summerlin West, and I wanted to share this with all of you on the channel. First off, this map was created in 2021, so things may be different, and there's nothing here set in stone right now, so all of this could end up totally different, but it's worth making a video on it and sharing information as to what may come into Summerlin West. First off, we finally get to see a map laying out mixed-use areas and commercial spaces. We get to see new residential areas closer to Little Red Rocks, which more than likely, based on this map, expect a gated community like the Ridges or the Summit. I have had several sales agents from the builders confirm this with me. Is it true? Time will only tell at this point. The map does confirm larger estate communities near Little Red Rocks. We also get confirmation that Kestrel Commons and Kestrel Summerlin will have a huge commercial area just west of the 215 at Lake Mead. Here's a look of the area from the drone. I am taking off from Desert Foothills Drive and Red Pass Drive in Red Point Square, Summerlin. As we head north towards Kestrel Commons Summerlin, we can see that Desert Foothills will either be a one-way street or a very narrow street as it comes into the urban core area. You can also see that there will be several one-way streets located in the urban core area. Several of my other recent drone flights can confirm one-way street markings. The good news is that this looks like Desert Foothills now will connect into Kestrel Commons and Kestrel Summerlin. It's not yet open to the public, but this is one step in the right direction. If you live in the area or travel here, you may have noticed all of the traffic and road construction still going on in the area. As I fly around the urban core and Kestrel Commons areas, you can see most of the main streets in this part of Summerlin West have been completed but still need to be striped. Lighting needs to go up as well as street signs. At this point right now, you can travel from Red Point Square into Kestrel Commons several different ways without getting onto the 215 and getting off at Lake Mead. At some future point when all of this is open to the public, we should see less traffic issues at Far Hills and 215 since there will be different routes to getting around this new part of Summerlin West. If you have any questions about Summerlin West real estate, or suggestions as to new drone flights or videos I should cover in the future, please leave me a comment below. I will also be putting up these maps for you to download and check out on my website, www.lvrealty4sale.com. I can also be contacted directly at 702-768-2552. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you have already not done so.